Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper in the additional of Friday. Yes, Friday, June the 25th, 2021. The last puzzle is a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, and this puzzle, this tectonic with 4 stars, will be a number 3005. Yes, 3005. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15, so correct me if I'm wrong. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. I think it's an easy one because the difficult ones has always 9, 10, 11, or 12 printed digits. This one has 15. Alright, so let's begin. And the first question is to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Boxes. The single box is always a 1. Alright. Single box, always a 1. Do we have dual boxes here? I can't see any dual boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. And the triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet, but I know what number this is. Because it cannot be a 1, 2, or 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1, 2, or a 3. So it must be the 4 or the 5, but we already have a 4 in this big score. Oh, sorry, in this area. So it cannot be a 4. So it must be the 5. Alright. Again, we have a triple box. The 2 is already filled in. So the two numbers 1 and 3 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. Okay. Do we have quadra boxes then? Quadra boxes. Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or constructions or structure. You name it. Alright. And the first one is the T. This one is rotated. The T shape or T figure. T. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright. More T shapes or figures? No. Then the following shape. This one. Yes. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of this kind of shape. Here, rotated. Yes, rotated to the left side, 45 degrees. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this should be a 1. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following figure. How about this one? Yes. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? Let me see. No. No. I can't see them. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay. Remember this shape. If you recognize this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yes, here rotated for 180 degrees. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the figures in this puzzle that you need to recognize. There are more of shapes that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle we have 4 of them. So the following stage is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 1 and a 3, so I cannot place the 1 here, so this is not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. Alright. Well, this box, wait. This box cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be in this area, the 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those, 2 and the 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 5. That means in this area we are missing the 3. The 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, the 2 goes there, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 4. Here also 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround a 3, cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 2 or a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 here, double 2, double 4. So those 2 boxes as a pair, the 2 and a 4. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see. Let me think. This box is connected with that box. I should be fill this box with the 3 already, but I forgot. Yes. Then this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. This box can be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 5. So one box left in this area for the number 4. This box cannot be a 4, that box cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T shape area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. Now I have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Then let me see. Now I have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Now I have 2 boxes left in this area, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 3. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 3. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 4. Alright, so now we have those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. So in this area, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2, or I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2, 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now I have a 2 here. So this box cannot be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 5. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair, 3 and 1. The other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. Alright, well, I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. I have double 1 there. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3 and 1. Okay. Okay, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now I have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Alright. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. Well, we have a 1 and a 3 here. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 3 in this triple box. So 1 digit left should be a 2. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 here. The 3 should be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place a 4 here because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. Then. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great. Tectonic. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. I give this a 2 stars, because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes. But I really like this Tectonic. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel for the Tectonic, for the binaries, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the ladder Sudokus, for the killer Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. Or I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, have a great weekend. Bye bye, and see you very, very soon.